Nilkamal Limited is a versatile solutions company, delivering effective and tailor-made solutions of the highest global standards in furniture and material handling. With an in-depth understanding of ergonomics, design and customer comfort at the core, we have been rated India's favorite furniture brand for over 3 decades. At Nilkamal, we cater to 3 key sectors: home, office and education. Nilkamal Office Solutions is a range of specially crafted furniture with best-in-class ergonomics to maximize productivity at your workspace. The Office Solutions range comprises of chairs, modular workstations, public seating, cafeteria furniture, storage systems, and educational furniture. Designed in-house using variety of materials like MDF, metal tubes and sheets. At Nilkamal, we have 10 award-winning manufacturing facilities spread across the Indian subcontinent with a robust capacity to deliver 72,000 executive chairs, 36,000 workstations and 36,000 tables annually. Our world-class manufacturing and management standards are certified ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 14001 environment management, ISO 18001 occupational health and safety, ISO 50001 energy management systems. Winner of the Frost & Sullivan Award with Economic Times for 4 consecutive years for excellence in manufacturing. Winner of the Government of India Award for Energy Management for 3 consecutive years. And all our products comply to BIFMA and Green Guard quality norms. At Nilkamal, we use state-of-the-art technology to produce world-class office furniture. Our in-house MDF plant is equipped with German technology, which integrates computer-aided design to computer-aided manufacturing for consistent quality and maximum efficiency. Our Japanese technology-based operations for the metal products optimizes panel cutting at maximum accuracy and offers fine finish. The modern and high-performance manufacturing processes empower us to deliver high-quality solutions in shorter lead time. All our products are tested in our test laboratory, conforming to stringent BIFMA quality norms, such as seat fatigue test, back fatigue test, swivel test, drop durability test, arm flexing test, chair base static test, base casters durability test. We have a dedicated in-house design team crafting innovative and practical solutions. Nilkamal provides end-to-end solutions from designing layouts to timely installation. Our furniture is designed with the principle of being modular, flexible and is a customized offering, thus making it suitable for every kind of office. Our resilient manufacturing is backed by a strong logistic infrastructure of 71 strategically located warehouses and 35 branch offices. Our robust network of sales, logistics and assemblers enables our pan-India service capability, making us the obvious choice for large corporates across India. Nilkamal Office Solutions, the perfect solution.